Welcome back! Today I continue my search for 2018's best Gothic home decor that you can only find around Halloween, particularly pieces that you can display all year long in your Gothic lair. Last year I found the best Halloween items at Pottery Barn, so I was eager to see this year's offerings. Much to my surprise, this year they've gone all in on the pirate theme. I'm not sure I knew what cocktail napkins were before today, but I like these pirate damask ones so much I bought 8 of them. They also had Jolly Roger plateware. This cartographer's map table throw is sure to excite my steampunk friends, as is this rummy towel containing wise words. They had skeletal placeholders, skeletal glassware, skeletal decanters, and this lovely translucent black skull bowl that happened to be filled with crystal skull wine toppers, as well as pirate hook wine toppers. These cheese and condiment spreaders are perfect for my growing skeletal cutlery collection. And what better place to store all of this pirate booty than in a treasure chest? You could use this for candy or year-round for other treasures. And that giant pirate ship was apparently not just a store display, it's another item for displaying your candy or food or other items. I'd use it for sushi. The skeleton glassware I bought last year is back, so if you missed out last year, here's another chance to get them. Not all of the Halloween offerings this year are pirate themed. I found these amazing spider-inspired votive candle holders that I just had to have. And there's this lovely ceramic crow. There's more obvious Halloween fare as well, like these jack-o'-lantern inspired items. And I thought this translucent candle was quite lovely. It's got a flameless candle inside, so it's safe around your mischievous little familiars. Those who favor the cute stuff might like these whimsical Halloween mugs and plates. And here is my Pottery Barn Halloween haul. As usual, I lean toward items I can use all year long. Not bad, but I feel like the Pottery Barn Halloween line from last year was more Gothic, if you will. You can check out the items I got last year in my Halloween haul right here on the Aurelio Voltaire. This year, the pirate theme is oddly specific. Now, I have friends who are pirates all year long, I have friends with steampunks all year long, and I think they are the ones who are going to benefit the most from this year's Pottery Barn Halloween line. There's still a lot of stores to hit this Halloween season, and I'm determined to review them all. So stay tuned and have a happy and healthy Halloween season. Ahoy there! Time flies when you're having rum. Truer words were never spoken. Well, this towel may not be right for the lair, but I'm pretty sure it's right for you. And one lucky winner is going to get one, and all you got to do is tell me in the comment section what the name of your pirate ship is. Come on, Captain, I know you've got one. One lucky winner is going to get this in the mail from me. Thanks for watching.